You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. For more pronunciations of English, stay tuned. I have more videos for you to listen to. The top word is pronounced were. It's the past tense of the verb to be. Were. It's a schwa sound, a sound. As in the phrase, an example of sentence, they were at the beach yesterday. They were. The bottom word is where, so it's an e sound. Where is the beach? Where is the beach? So, two different pronunciations. Were, this is the top word. Were, bottom word, where. Were versus where. Can you hear the difference? Can you pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.